Hello, my dear. To experience this meditation, find a quiet, comfortable place where you can fully relax. Make sure your environment is distraction free. Sit or lie down in a position where you feel completely at ease. Now take a long and deep breath in. Exhale and relax, 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 relax. Now gently close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in, feeling the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest. And now exhale gently, release all your tension. That's wonderful. Let yourself settle in. Let go of any thoughts about the past or the future. Simply be here, right now. As you continue breathing, notice how your body naturally begins to relax. Feel the air moving in, cool and refreshing. And as you breathe out, feel yourself letting go, sinking deeper. With each breath, a gentle wave of relaxation flows through your body, starting from top of your head, softening your forehead, relaxing your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Let this relaxation move down into your neck and shoulders, releasing any tightness, letting them drop loose and heavy. Your arms relax, your hand loosen, your fingers become light. Your chest rises and falls effortlessly. With each breath, peace spreads through you. Your stomach softens, your back melts into comfort, your legs grow heavier, your feet rest deeply. With each breath, every part of you relaxes a little more, deeper and deeper. Now imagine standing at the top of a beautiful staircase leading to a place of deep peace and healing. I will count from 10 to 1. With each number, you will drift deeper, more at peace, more at ease. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Now as you continue to relax, I want you to choose a physical anchor, something very simple. This could be gently pressing your thumb and index finger together, or placing your hand over your heart. Choose a motion that feels natural and comfortable, one that you can easily use anytime, anywhere. Now as you hold this position, I want you to connect this moment to a powerful feeling of calm, peace, and confidence. As you press your fingers together, imagine a wave of golden warmth flowing through you, a deep sense of peace washing over your mind, a feeling of confidence rising within you, a sense of security and strength filling every part of you. Now repeat, I am calm, I am strong, I am in control, I can feel this peace anytime I choose. Each time you use this anchor, your body will remember this deep relaxation. Your mind will instantly return to this peaceful, powerful state. You will feel calm and in control no matter where you are. This is your power. This is your control. You can use this whenever you need and instantly feel this calm confidence. Now, in this peaceful state, imagine yourself completely relaxed. Feel this relaxation. Allow yourself to feel this relaxation. You can sense calmness, a growing feeling of confidence, a strong sense of inner peace. You are lighter now. You are free, completely at peace. Remember, you now have an instant way to return to this feeling. Simply use your anchor and you will feel this peace instantly. Now, in your mind's eye, see yourself in the near future, calm, confident, strong. You wake up each day with a sense of ease. You move through life with grace and self-assurance. Challenges no longer shake you. Instead, you handle them with clarity and strength. See yourself smiling, feeling light, free. Your mind is clear. Your heart is peaceful. You are completely in control of your emotions. You are strong, resilient, powerful. This is you now. This is your reality. And whenever you need, simply use your anchor and you will instantly return to this state of peace and power. Feel it, believe it. See yourself living a happy, confident life. I am allowing you few minutes to live your dream life. Wonderful, amazing. This was you. This is you. This is your reality now. You are ready to enjoy this new life. And now it's time to return to the present, carrying all this calmness, strength, and confidence with you. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5. With each number, you will become more aware, more refreshed, feeling lighter, stronger, and completely regenerated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful. And from this moment forward, you are free from anxiety. You move through life with ease and confidence. You are safe. You are strong. You are at peace. And whenever you choose, you can use your anchor and instantly return to this powerful, calm state. Wonderful. God bless you.